How to stream Amazon Prime Video on Discord. Since the latest Discord update, a lot of people have told me they can't find these settings anymore. So instead, just use the search bar at the top and type in acceleration. Then click on Advanced, and the setting will show up directly. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First, open Discord. You can use either the Discord app or the browser version. Once Discord is open, go to the bottom left corner and click on User Settings. Use the search bar at the top, type acceleration, and click on Advanced. Now look for Video Hardware Acceleration. If it's turned on, turn it off and confirm by clicking OK. Next, open your browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but the steps are similar in other browsers. Go to Settings, then use the search bar and type Graphics. Find Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, restart your browser. Once your browser has relaunched, go back to Discord. Join a voice channel, share your screen. And you should now be able to stream Amazon Prime Video without a black screen. That's it, you're all set.